Hey, are you ready to learn accounting? Book in a consultation today. In the meantime, let me quickly explain to you what a journal entry is. Journal entries are the pillar of accounting. I say that because essentially within an accounting cycle, the first time a transaction is recorded in an accounting cycle within a company, within accounting records, is through a journal entry. So journalizing, journal entry, the book of original entry, it all means the same thing. Let's say hypothetically that we bought a piece of equipment for our water bottle manufacturing company, and we pay cash $20,000 and we took out a loan, or we're going to pay them within 30 days for $30,000. So in any given T account, we have date, accounts, debit, credit. There might also be a PR column here as well. The PR column just has the account numbers. So once again, for account numbers, assets are in the tens, hundreds of thousands. Liabilities are in the 20s, 200s, 2,000. Equities are in the 30s, 300, 3,000. Revenues are in the 40s, 400, 4,000s. And expenses are in the 50s, 500s, 5,000s. But I'm going to skip the PR column for now. So let's talk about the date first. The year always goes first, and then the actual month and the actual day. So November 15th. Let's say hypothetically that we're still in November and we're doing another entry for November 17th. We don't have to write November again. We just write the 17th because we're already under the assumption that we're in 2023 and November. But now let's just say we're going to December 5th. We would have to write December 5th there. But let's just say now the next transaction is going to be December 10th. I just write the 10th there. The next one is December 12th. I just write the 12th there. So that's the dates work. So now when it comes to journal entries, debits must always go first. Once again, debits always go first. Credits always go second. Credits are also always indented to indicate that it's a credit account. So when it comes to journal entries, it must impact two or more accounts. Because remember, for it to impact two or more accounts, debits must always equal credits. So remember, debits must always equal credits at all times. So let's say, for instance, that you wrote this journal entry as this over here. You're automatically going to get it incorrect because debits does not equal credits. So we purchased equipment for $50,000. So we're going to debit this for $50,000. And let's just say hypothetically that you know the credit accounts first. Go ahead and write the credit accounts first. It doesn't matter. As long as you skip a line, so you leave room for the debits, that's all that matters, right? Then we're going to credit cash for $20,000, and then we're going to credit accounts payable for the remaining $30,000. And if we add up the debits, 50,000 simply equals the 20,000 plus the 30,000, 50,000, debits equal credits, we're good to go. So the thing is, it could be more than two accounts because we could have, for example, 5 debits. It doesn't matter. Let's just say that hypothetically that we went out and purchased supplies on the same day as well. So we could easily add in supplies here as well. Or we could add in any account. So we can have multiple debits, we can have multiple credits, but we must always have one debit and one credit for this rule of thumb to hold true.